Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I'll be teaching you how to clean silver. I have had these chains around for a couple of years now. It's sad because I didn't know what to do with them. Could have taken them to a jewelry store, but I didn't. But I have found a way to get them clean at home. All you need is aluminum foil, sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, a dish, a glass dish preferably, and your silver. Also, boiling water, about a cup or so of boiling water. So let's get started. We are going to take a piece of aluminum foil. Doesn't have to be a big piece at all. And we're going to put it into the dish. We're going to put the shiny side up. And there we go. Now we're going to add the boiling water. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know the order in which you're about to see it is wrong. You should put the jewelry in first, then the baking soda, then the hot water. The hot water added to the baking soda with the jewelry already in there reacts with the aluminum foil and causes it to get cleaner the first time. First, we're going to add the baking soda or the sodium bicarbonate. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that into the dish. And you don't have to be exact with the measurements, it's okay. And we're going to add the boiling hot water. And I just added about a half cup. And we're going to add some more, about another tablespoon. And just want to stir it around in there. Okay, and we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Going to let that chemical reaction with the aluminum foil and the bicarbonate of soda, or the sodium bicarbonate. We're going to let that react, and we'll see what we're working with in a few minutes. Oh wow, look at the sparkle on that. Now, so much better. Oh my goodness. Let me look at that. That didn't come out sparkly. This chain didn't come out super sparkly, but it's much better. And then this one, that came out much better. I think that I need to do this a couple of times. It depends on how long I believe your jewelry has been like this. Also guys, make sure when you get done to rinse it and then wipe it off either with a microfiber cloth. If you do not have a microfiber cloth, any soft cloth will do, an old sock or just something soft. I'm just going to lay it here for a second to let it drain. But those came out much better, you guys. Much better than they were. I'm going to do this process again and hopefully this will come out even better. But you guys, this is wonderful. Wonderful. And this one especially, so shiny. So shiny. All right guys, so I did this one more time. It came even cleaner. So just remember to add the jewelry first, then the baking soda, then the hot water so that it gets all bubbly and reacts with the aluminum foil first. That way, the first go around, you'll get much cleaner silver. Look at that. It is sparkling. So, this is the end result and I'm very pleased. All right, subscribe, share this video with a friend, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.